top 5 highest demand skills in the world in 2026. Yes, at number 5, we have agile project management. Yes, so if you understand project management, here you have to master tools like Trello, Answer, Notion, Monday.com, and many more. At number 4, we have cybersecurity and data privacy. So if you understand these skills, yes, you'll be able to make money from these skills. At number 3, we have digital sales. Yes, if you can use short form 15-second video to sell a product, yes, your skills are in high demand. At number 2, we have advanced data analysis. Yes, here you get to understand tools like Power BI, Tableau, and many more. And of course, our number 1 is AI engineering. Yeah, with AI engineering, I'm not talking about using ChatGPT. No, I'm talking about automating AI to ease workflow. So if you have one of these 5 skills in respect of your industry, you can always get a job in any place in this world. And for more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and follow me.